fiance for that delicious breakfast. Thank you so much. What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be cleaning Plasti Dipped Wheels, and I'm going to show you guys literally the best and easiest way to clean them. Everyone says it's extremely hard to clean Plasti Dipped Wheels, but I don't think so. Alright, check this out. This is what you guys are going to need to grab. You guys are going to need to grab some of this tire cleaner. I think it's like $5 for the whole bottle. It's honestly the best thing in my experience that cleans the Plasti Dipped Wheels. And I'll show you guys firsthand how amazing the results will be. Check this out. So this is the before. Don't mind that tear that I have right there. It's gonna get fixed. This is the before. Now we're gonna spray some of that tire cleaner. I'll show you guys the results. Alright, after you spray that grease remover, you want to let it sit for a few minutes, maybe 5 minutes, and then just wash it down with a hose. Look at that. Look how clean it got just from one pass with the grease remover. Compared to how they were. This is the back wheel. Seriously, cleaning Plasti Dipped Wheels is not hard at all. Look at the amazing results I got just from this grease remover. They seriously look brand new. Look at that. The paint looks so fresh, I know. I'm going to continue doing the rest of the car, and then I'll show you guys the finished results again. Finally got the wheels all cleaned out. I think it came out killer. Now let me show you guys the final results. Look at all that. They literally look brand new. And we take you to the front. Look at this wheel. Everything got cleaned up. So guys, so if anybody's ever told you don't Plasti dip your wheels, you'll never be able to clean it, I clearly showed you that you can't clean it. So just remember, just make sure you use this stuff, or I guess any tire cleaner or a grease remover might work. But another thing, make sure, so this Plasti Dip cleaned out this good because I used glossifier on it. Maybe if you do like a matte finish on your wheels, maybe it won't clean so well. But just a heads up, this works perfect with glossifier, wipes it right off. I'm not experienced with matte colors, maybe because of the too much texture, it's not gonna clean it as well. But with the glossifier, it'll be like brand new once you use this grease remover. Alright guys, so that's gonna wrap up this video. Thank you guys for sticking around. Hopefully you guys learned something. Hopefully you guys are less hesitant about Plasti dipping your wheels from now on, because it's really not that bad. Remember, this is just temporary. You can always peel it right off. If you guys did learn something, please give me a like, and make sure you guys actually use grease remover and this tire cleaner to get everything off. It's gonna make it look amazing. Also, if you've never used this tire shine, I highly suggest it. It's Adams Polishes Company. You can clean vinyl, rubber, and your trim, and it's really going to make it look really shiny. Guys, thank you so much for sticking around. If you guys did like this video, give me another thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.